CERN, which is the European Laboratory for Elementary Particle Physics, is the largest particle physics laboratory in the world. Semiconductor, the artists that made Halo, they managed to get access to what we call raw data of the Atlas experiment, and that's that data that they used in artistic form to realize Halo. There is an artistic interpretation of how things happen, but you can imagine that each one of those appearances is like a proton-proton collision where particles are created, and so they are they travel through the detector, and then the disappearing is signaling the end of that particular proton-proton collision. I think it speaks a universal language which has to do with understanding nature and matter and the beauty of the world, and for me as a scientist it's a way to see the beauty of data in artistic form. So I see very strong reasons for anyone, and not just artists or scientists, anyone who kind of wants to experience the beauty of nature through art and the beauty of science through art would be very well served by visiting Halo.